Wheat growers and universities here in Michigan and across the border in Canada are teaming up to gather data on yield potential. The Great Lakes Yield Enhancement Network will focus on the Great Lakes growing region and how to improve winter wheat yields.
So we learned about the Yield Enhancement Network from some colleagues in the United Kingdom who had spoken at a couple of our conferences and our webinar series about this Yield Enhancement Network that they have over there. They started their network in 2012, and they have over 400 growers participating in it now. And what they have done is they've learned a tremendous amount about how wheat grows and grows and develops, as well as what are some of the things that the farmers need to be doing to try to push yields a little bit higher and be a little more environmentally sound and increase the profitability at the farm level.
Every farm involved in the international partnership will share soil, tissue, and whole plant resources to compare and contrast what is working and what isn't.
And all that information, all the agronomics that they put into growing the crop, we have a database that they plug that stuff into. That information at the end is all compiled and then reported back to each participant with their information that is, private for them. So they see where their numbers are, but then they can also see where they are in relation to everybody else that's in the project. And then at the end, once we have the reports generated and sent back, we do plan to have a networking event where we'll bring the farmers, the agronomists, the scientists, everybody together, share some results. What did we learn? And have a chance for them to network and talk with each other about things that they've tried on their farm. In addition to this, we're going to calculate their theoretical maximum yield potential, and that is based on the amount of available water, the amount of sunlight energy, and then how well their plants are able to capture that energy or those resources and then convert that to yield. And then once you have this theoretical maximum yield, you can see, okay, in their yield contest field, how did they actually do? And then what percent of that theoretical maximum yield did they achieve? And then what are possibly some of the reasons why maybe they got the percentage of theoretical maximum yield that they did? What I hope that growers get out of participating in this Great Lakes Yield Enhancement Network is a greater understanding of wheat production and the impacts of different management strategies on how to achieve high yields.
The Great Lakes Yen hopes to have close to 100 farmer participants in the first year of the program. Applications are available now and will be accepted through July 5th. To learn more, visit greatlakesyen.com.